Hello guys! Magandang araw. We have a property for sale here at Binyan City, Laguna. Malapit sa, or should I say, walking distance sa Jackliner Terminal Bus Station. And dito sa Jollibee Fast Food, nakatapat lang ng Jackliner. And also malapit lang din siya sa palengke ng Binyan City. Then, ang lot area po ng property for sale is 500 square meter. For the price, kindly message na lang po dito or yung nakikita nyo po na nagpa-flash screen yung aming mobile number, and or you can also message us at our Facebook page, Joaccess Realty and Development, and look for Josie Cabahog. Thank you guys!